sinus rinse. That's right. What kind do we have here? We have the Nil Med sinus rinse. What did you put inside your bottle?
Water.
Water? What, is it a special kind? What do we call it? Distilled?
Distilled water.
It's really important to use distilled, right? And then what did you put in it? Can you show me that packet?
Salt.
The salt. That's right. So it makes the saline solution, right?
And it makes the salt. So you take the lid off, pour it in, and then you shake.
Shake it up. That's right. Then what do you like Mom to do after we put that in?
I like my mom to heat it up for
20
seconds.
in the microwave. That's right. It makes it nice and warm, right? Okay, so once you do that, then what do?
Then you go over here.
Are you putting it in one nostril? Can you lean up for a second so I can show everyone what that looks like? Put your head up for just a second. Yep, one nostril. Okay. Oh, good. Did you see that stuff come out? Good job. All right, what do you like to do now?
Then I like to grab a tissue and I like to blow.
Good job. How much did we use?
We used it
About half, right?
half of
So now what do we do?
Now we grab the bottle again.
And you do on the other side?
Do it on the other side.
Good job, Sarah.
Now when you're done, you can grab it again and you can blow again. If you want to.
You did great. How did that feel?
That feels good when you're done.
Yeah? Does that help with your allergies and your head cold?
It helps you with your algae and your head cold.
Yeah. How often do we do this? Do we do this every night?
Almost every night.
Almost every night. Hey, you did great. Thanks, buddy.
Thank you for watching my show, How to Use
The sinus rinse?
rinse. I hope you use this too. Tell me how it goes. Bye.
Okay, we'll link it in the caption below.